Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the environment. Install Optifine or Fabric with Iris so shaders run, then drop a motion blur-capable shader pack into the shaders folder. Allocate at least 2 GB of RAM to avoid stuttering, and choose the same Minecraft version as the shader. Once done, launch the game, open video settings, and activate the shader. This gets the engine ready, so you can change motion blur parameters directly instead of chasing compatibility issues later. Now you configure the shader's motion blur controls. Open shader options and enable motion blur, then set shutter speed between 0, 5 and 1. 0 to control exposure-like blur, higher values lengthen streaks. Increase sample count to 816 for smoother trails, but watch FPS. Next, tweak FOV and camera bob so the blur feels natural with player movement, and lower hand motion if foreground blur looks distracting. Make incremental changes and test by walking, sprinting, and swinging the camera to judge the effect. Finish by testing across motions: walk, sprint, flight, and while rotating the camera so you can see blur behavior in every case. If performance dips, reduce sample count or shutter value until you hit your FPS target. If quality is poor, increase samples slowly. If ghosting or smearing appears, enable temporal anti-aliasing or toggle motion blur's parental options and update the shader or mod to the latest build. One key troubleshooting tip: if artifacts persist, disable conflicting mods or revert to the shader's default settings before retuning.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.